Yo, yo, you already know, chat. Guess who has their prom? You know, fresh cut, fresh everything. And I'm gonna do a trade recap for you guys, for you lot, cause I hit 2 back-to-back dubs. Oh my gosh, my room is a mess. Jeez Louise. Okay, let's hop onto the charts. I don't know if I have executions on. Let me throw on some executions. There we go. So today I caught 2 wins. One was in London session shorts, and one was what's called AM longs. So London session shorts, to be honest with you, I fucking forgot why I took it. I think there was an SMT right here, like with these highs or something. Like there's like an SMT right there, and we just kind of displaced lower. Fuck, I actually forgot why I took that shit, to be honest with you. I think there's a displacement lower, and then we inversed was it a 3-minute fair value gap? Or no, there was a change standard delivery on the 3 minutes. And I entered off of that, I think. And then I just targeted the lows right here. That was London session. London session was kind of calm. It was obvious, like we were overbought like the previous sessions. Like we were kind of overbought, so I'm like, okay, like if we want to continue higher, most likely we'll kind of want to rebalance a little bit during London session and then maybe New York session longs, and that's exactly what happened. Mostly like New York session in itself, like see this London session low, it went lower than where I expected, and it took out this 1 hour swing low. If you guys see that, we took out this 1 hour swing low. We had to move upwards, and then there was a fair value gap here that we were respecting in the in the AM session when I caught the longs. So we were respecting that low. We swept this like accumulation right here. There's like kind of like relative equal lows that we swept. We formed an SMT. We went up. We inversed this fair value gap, and I entered right off of we inversed this fair value gap, and we inversed many other fair value gaps too. We inversed this fair value gap as well right here. And I entered right off of the candle closure of this, because off of this sweep, this is New York open candle. This is 9:30 candle. Off of this candle, for it to be this volatile, and this, by the way, look at the watch. Oh, and also wait, look. I'm in a Lambo. So if you guys don't get the time when I did that, then you guys should subscribe to my TikTok. Sorry, I had somebody come into my room. Basically, off of this candle closure, we went up so high that what's it called? And we took out so much liquidity at 9:30. I'm like, okay, as soon as this candle closed, I was very, very positive that we were gonna go up to these draws on liquidity. I was very positive. I didn't even take any partials. I was so positive we were gonna go up to here. I took out fully right there, and then as soon as that happened, there could have been a short entry later on, but I just turned off the charts. You could have caught a short down to at least here, maybe even lower. But the thing is, like, the market has been consolidating, and it was acting weird. I heard a lot of people complaining about this, but there's many like proper trades. Like this could have been a proper trade right here, actually, off of this sweep, and this kind of seems like a nice setup right here. There's a CISD right there. You could have caught like a retouch of the CISD right here, because it respected it once. You could have caught it maybe the second time it came about if you didn't see the first respecting this. You could have caught it down to here. This was, looking into it in hindsight, this is a pretty good trade that you could have taken. And then boom, off the long, when we went up, potentially I think we're gonna keep coming back up to here. So there might be an internal long model. Like maybe we're gonna come down, take out these lows, maybe these lows right here, manipulate them, and then continue going up. But yeah, that's it really. To be honest with you, this trade recap was more for my fit. What's it called? I'm like Neymar. You know that one clip when Neymar is like doing like the perfume and shit? Like that's literally me. Anyways, I'm gonna go on some nonchalant shit, on some chill shit. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.